Today I'm going to show you how to create an exposed concrete parking spot 70 millimeters thick without using any steel reinforcement. It's a simple DIY project that even beginners can tackle, so let's dive right in. First, we need to prepare the area. For my project, I had to clear a 6 meter by 2 meter area. I dug it up to a depth of 70 millimeters. I could have reused the existing gravel as aggregate, but to avoid cleaning the grass and soil in the mixed, I decided to go with new aggregate to save time. Next, I sectioned out the area to allow me to work on manageable sections at a time. I did this for several reasons. 1. Allowed me to work on small sections at a time and only mix what I needed. 2. Easier to level out the sections. 3. Allow me to do the job over 2 days. I divided the space into 5 sections, about 1.2 meters wide by 2 meters long. I created sections using timber framing that's 20 millimeters thick and 75 millimeters high, with a gentle slope towards the existing driveway for drainage. The concrete mix ratio I used was 5 parts aggregate, 1 part cement, and 1 part water. Use a drill mixer attachment or shovel to mix to create a smooth texture but not runny. Make sure there are no dry parts in the mix. Pour the mix into the framed section. I started with the first section, then moved to the last, and then the middle. Leaving 2 sections allows you to stand on them to spread, pack, and level the other sections. When dry, these in turn will act as levels to finish the remaining sections. Use the timber framing as a guide to spread and level the concrete. As you spread and pack the concrete down, the surface of the mixture will become creamy, which help with leveling and create a smooth finish. Leave the concrete until the top is partially dry. Depending on the temperature, this can be anything from 7 to 24 hours. It should be dry enough to rub away a thin layer with your finger. Now it's time to wash off a thin layer from the top to expose the pebbles in the aggregate. Use a gentle spray of water together with a brush or broom to gently remove the top layer. Repeat this for each section, and there you have it. A beautiful exposed concrete parking spot without any steel reinforcement. It's durable, looks fantastic, and you did it all by yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY projects. See you next time.